Welcome to this video titled Why Graphics? We said that graphics is the language of an engineer. But when our usual language like English, Hindi, Marathi are there, then why to learn graphics language? This video tries to explain the need and significance of engineering graphics. So let us start. Engineering graphics or engineering drawing is the language of engineers. This is the language of pictures. In this language, the objects are represented in their pictorial views. Then this language of picture, who is going to use? Who is going to communicate with whom? Usually, it is a communication between design engineer and manufacture engineer. Who is design engineer? What is his role? Let us see. Design engineers do the research and make the design of companies' new products. They have creative minds and decide the size, shape, material, color and various parts of the new product in their mind. The design in their mind they need to communicate with manufacture engineer. Who is the manufacturing engineer and what is his role? Manufacturing engineers are expert in manufacturing processes. They use different machine tools to transform the idea of new product conveyed by the design engineer into actual product. Here, design engineer want to communicate with manufacturing engineers. Then what is the problem with usual language? Our usual language communicates messages as oral communication and written communication. In oral communication, one person speaks and the other listens it carefully and he understands the message thoroughly. Here the message is conveyed orally. In written communication, one person writes the message and other reads it carefully and he understands it well. Here the message is conveyed in written form. But the oral communication and written communication have their own limitations. What are those? Let us see in this reflection point. Pause this video for some time and try to do this activity. Which activity? Try to write a description of the object shown in this particular picture. After writing the description, give it to your friend and tell him to make a sketch from your description. After he makes the sketch, then resume the video. After seeing the picture or the sketch by your friend, you might have understood that what was there in your mind, which picture was there in your mind is not fully conveyed to the person who is sketching. He has sketched it in a different way. Something has missing. So you can easily understand that the word languages are inadequate, insufficient for describing the size, shape and features of the object completely as well as concisely. And here comes the role of graphics. Here the language of pictures and graphics initializes. Graphic language in engineering application use lines, curves to represent the surfaces, edges and contours of the objects. The language is known as drawing or drafting. And this subject we know as engineering drawing or engineering graphics. A drawing can be done using freehand, instruments or computer methods. Let us see one by one. In freehand drawing, this is 3D sketch and these are 2D sketches. In 3D sketch, if you see from this side, front side, whatever the shape appears in front direction is drawn in front view and if you see from top, then whatever the shapes you observe from top is drawn over in top view. So these drawings are drawn by using only pencil and erasers, not with any other instruments. The same thing is drawn using the instruments like scale, compass, protractor, set square, etc. These drawings are called as instrument drawings and are usually drawn to the scale, and the dimensions are written on these drawings. And nowadays these freehand sketch and instrument drawings are replaced by computer drawings. Nowadays the drawings are usually made with the help of computers by using commercial softwares such as AutoCAD, SolidWorks, CATIA, etc. Now let us see a recap of today's video. What we have learnt. First, why graphics? The words and description fall short to describe in exact way the design engineer thought of a product in his mind. So here the language of picture initializes. And the second point what we have learned is a drawing can be done using freehand, instruments or computer methods. Thank you.